72-year-old Margaret Ellis hated courtrooms. After losing her husband, the elderly black widow spent 20 years quietly helping people in Birmingham, Alabama. Scholarships, food drives, rent assistance. She never asked for recognition, never wanted attention. Simple dresses, old purse, gentle voice. Most people assumed she struggled financially. Nobody knew. Margaret quietly owned several apartment buildings, built from decades of sacrifice. One rainy morning, she entered county court over a property dispute. Nothing dramatic, just paperwork. But presiding that day was Judge Daniel Whitaker. White, 52, sharp jaw, sharper attitude. The moment Margaret stepped forward, he frowned. "You sure you understand these documents?" he asked slowly. The courtroom shifted. Margaret blinked. "I believe so," he sighed loudly. "Maybe legal matters are too complicated." People stared. A clerk looked uncomfortable. Margaret straightened quietly. "I managed property 30 years, Your Honor." He smirked. "Let's stay focused." Humiliation settled over the room. Then came worse. Daniel publicly questioned whether Margaret even owned the building. Without evidence. Someone in the gallery secretly started recording. Outside, Margaret sat alone on courthouse steps, hands shaking. For the first time in years, she cried. Her grandson Isaiah arrived. "Grandma!" She wiped her eyes. "Just tired." But inside, the video had already started spreading. By sunset, millions were asking, why was an elderly black woman humiliated in court? By morning, America was furious. Comments flooded online. That judge was disrespectful. Protect our elders. Courtroom racism? Margaret ignored the attention. "I don't want trouble," she whispered. But Isaiah kept digging. Then came the twist. A retired court employee recognized Margaret immediately and told reporters something shocking. 30 years earlier, Margaret secretly funded scholarships for struggling black students. One of them, Daniel Whitaker, the same judge humiliating her. He just never knew. Meanwhile, more videos surfaced. Former black defendants describing unfair treatment, patterns, dismissive comments, public embarrassment. The pressure exploded. Then a local reporter uncovered old scholarship records. One signature stood out. Margaret Ellis Foundation. The internet froze. 2 days later, judicial investigators arrived. Daniel looked nervous. Then cameras caught him leaving court early, because the truth had exploded. At a press conference, Margaret quietly revealed documents. 35 years ago, she funded a scholarship program after her husband died, helping low-income law students. One recipient, Daniel Whitaker, silence. The same woman he humiliated had helped pay for law school. America exploded. Then leaked complaints surfaced. Bias allegations, disrespect toward black residents, patterns. That evening, Daniel showed up at Margaret's house. No robe, no confidence, only regret. "I didn't know." Margaret looked at him calmly. "You shouldn't need to know who someone is to treat them with dignity." He lowered his head. No answer. 3 weeks later, Judge Daniel Whitaker was suspended pending investigation. Mandatory ethics reviews followed. But Margaret surprised everyone. She didn't ask for revenge. Instead, she asked for something bigger. A scholarship fund for future black law students, focused on justice and fairness. Named the Ellis Dignity Scholarship. At the ceremony, young students cried. Isaiah hugged his grandmother. "You changed lives." Margaret smiled softly. "Respect people before you know their story." Even Daniel attended quietly. No excuses, only apology. And every year after, new lawyers graduated remembering one lesson: never judge dignity by appearances.